Coughing can be annoying, but there are effective ways to find relief. First, stay hydrated. Water, herbal teas, and broths can soothe your throat. Honey is a natural cough suppressant. Just a spoonful can work wonders. Try steam inhalation too. It helps loosen mucus and eases irritation. If allergies are the culprit, consider an antihistamine. And don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned saltwater gargle. It can reduce inflammation. Lastly, rest is crucial. Your body needs time to heal. With these tips, you'll be on your way to feeling better in no time.